Magandang araw po sa ating lahat para po sa ating Bible Knowledge of the Day. Ngayon pong May 7 ng Thursday ay dito sa Proverbs 19:16, He that keepeth the commandment keepeth his own soul. Yan po ang pamagat natin. But he that despiseth his ways shall die. Okay? Yung keepeth po dyan, shamar sa Hebrew word, ibig sabihin observe or to attend. So pag kinip mo, or pag tingnan mo ng mas malalim yan, pag sinunod mo, yan. Alright? The commandments, yung commandment po dyan ay law, ordinance, yung mga batas ng Panginoon. Ano po? And despiseth naman po dyan, but he that despises his way shall die, ay basa sa Hebrew, sabihin despise or pagsantabi sa Tagalog. Ano po? So, binabaliwala, yun po yan. Ay binabaliwala mo, shall die, mamamatay. Kaya nga, tingnan niyo po yung magbabiolate ng laws, mamamatay. Diba? So, marami yan. Yung drinking without, huwag kang mag-drive pag influence ka ng liquor, lasing. So, yun, ayaw makinig, mamamatay. Huwag mag-drugs, yun, nagda-drugs, namamatay. So, marami pang iba, mga kapatid. Kahit yung disobedience sa kanyang magulang, maraming namamatay. Kaya nga sabi ng Bible, kung mahal mo, kung gusto mong i-keep yung kaluluwa mo, keep the commandments of God. Okay? Opo. Sapagkat pag kinip mo yung commandments, you keep it your own soul, sabi ng Biblia. To preserve your life is to keep the commandment of God. Para maprotektahan mo ang buhay mo, keep the commandment of God. Para maging maayos ang buhay mo, keep the commandment of God. Ano po? Para mapagpalain ang iyong pamilya, keep the commandment of God. Alright? Para sumunod ang iyong anak sa'yo, keep the commandment of God. Opo. Bakit? If you keep the commandment, you keep your soul. Okay? Principles of the day po, sabi ko dyan. To keep your soul, keep the scripture. Kung gusto mong i-keep yung iyong kaluluwa, or buhay, or yung sarili mo, keep the scripture, the Bible, the law of God. Okay? So number 2, keeping the Lord's commandments is keeping your life. Pag kinip mo yung commandments ng Panginoon, you keep your life, your soul, di ba? Kaya nga, he that keepeth the commandment, keepeth his own soul. Pero yung mga nagdi-despise shall die, sabi ng Biblia. Yung mga nagsasantabi, yung binabaliwalang scripture, namamatay. Di ba? Pero sabi ko dyan, number 2, keeping the Lord's commandment, keepeth your life. Despising the Lord's commandment, despising your life unto death. Alright? Kaya pinakamaganda po, at lahat ng sumunod sa Panginoon, pinagpala. Lahat ng sumunod sa Diyos, aging maayos ang buhay. Lahat ng tumanggap ng scripture, na benepisyohan ng salita ng Diyos. Pero yung naging matigas salita ng Diyos, yun, napariwara ang buhay, nasira ang buhay, hiwa-hiwalay ang pamilya, wasak ang tahanan. Bakit? Hindi sumunod sa structure ng Diyos sa family. See? Alright? Kaya keep the commandments to keep your soul. To keep your soul is to keep the scripture. Keeping the scripture is keeping yours. Okay? Yan po ang ating Bible knowledge of the day. God bless you po.